You've probably been hearing about the death of 66 children in the Gambia linked to cough syrups.
WHO recommends all countries detect and remove these products from circulation to prevent further harm to patients.
So what do we know so far? In July 2022, the Gambian authorities discovered an increase of cases in acute kidney injuries among children. But it's only after sending samples to labs in Senegal and in Ghana that they discovered the link with these 4 cough syrups. So what's in these cough syrups? According to the WHO, the contaminated syrups contain 2 toxic products, one usually used as a solvent and the other one as an antifreeze agent. The toxic products are colorless and almost odorless, which makes it difficult to detect. Only an investigation will determine how these toxic products ended up in the cough syrups. Speaking of which, the cough syrup were made in India, where the health authorities have announced the launch of an investigation.
तो इसके सैंपल लेके जो सेंट्रल ड्रग लेबोरेटरी है कैलकाटा में वहाँ पर सैंपल भेजे गए वहाँ से रिपोर्ट आने के बाद अगर कोई चीज गलत हुई तो बहुत सख्त कार्रवाई करी जाएगी.
India produces a third of the world's medicine, usually in the form of generic drugs. And for Maiden Pharmaceuticals, the producer of the contaminated cough syrups, Africa is one of its main markets. Back in the Gambia, the government has banned the sale of the contaminated cough syrups. The country has launched an urgent door-to-door campaign to collect the contaminated products. The question now is to know if the contaminated cough syrups have been distributed in other countries in the region. How can you protect your children? Check if you have any of these products at home. And if you do not use them. If your children have symptoms such as diarrhea or headache, seek the advice of a healthcare professional.